Welcome to Shortview Trading. This is your morning market hit for Wednesday, March the 11th. What matters today for traders? Markets are clearly trying to find their feet, rallying sharply yesterday in Tuesday's session. Policymakers are doing their bit to help. This morning we had a big package announced by the Bank of England that included a 50 basis point rate cut, some provision of lending for small and medium-sized businesses, as well as a reduction in the counter-cyclical buffers that banks hold. That reduction frees up lending capacity in the banking system. On top of that, the New York Fed continues to increase its overnight repo lending, reaching 123 billion yesterday, while Trump has been further discussing the idea of the payroll rate going to zero for the remainder of this year. Added to that, models remain very much still on buy/strong buy. The risk appetite scoring system is on a really punchy strong buy, as is the put to call ratio. Those charts we're showing you now. Other short-term models have a similar message, as do medium-term models. In the near term though, markets are highly volatile. On Monday, the VIX closed above 50%, the only time it's done that in this cyclical bull market. Over and above that, day two after a major stock market fall as we saw on Monday, has a mixed track record. If we look at the 15 prior examples of falls greater than 7% in one-day trading sessions, we see that in 6 of them, the market rallied more than 3%. In 5 of them, it rallied between 0 and 3% on the second day of trading post that major fall, while in the remaining 4, it was down. All of which highlights the importance of timing your entry point over the course of today's trading session. Look to go long, but be cautious and careful about entry points and be patient. For the full detail on how we're trading this market, please see today's daily rag, available to subscribers and on the website. So what are we watching today? Well, clearly, firstly, we continue to watch how much stress is or is not building or dissipating in markets. So high yield corporate bond spreads, funding rates, TED spreads, and so on. Over and above that, we're watching for anything from policymakers, any further policy announcements. In that respect, the UK Chancellor is announcing his budget today, later on this morning. And then finally, of course, we're watching the macro, albeit it's less important than many of the other issues that need to be watched today. But amongst key macro is US inflation coming out later today at 12:30 UK London time. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Wednesday the 11th of March. Please do subscribe on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook and or Twitter. Thank you.